Hi there, Amy here from Knit Collage. I'm super excited to tell you about our Winter Solstice Kits, which go live on Wednesday, June 13th, so in a week from today. And these are going to be extremely special because each yarn in our Winter Solstice Kit this year is special. It has never been produced before and it never will be produced again, which is really different from what we did last year. So if you're wondering what the heck is a Winter Solstice Kit, you can think of it as a calendar, a surprise yarn calendar that you open each day in the month of December. You can open it each day, you can open it every day, whatever you want, as we count down either to the end of the year, to the winter solstice, or to a particular holiday you celebrate. It's totally up to you. So we have 12 little mini skeins that we wrap and package up for you to unwrap throughout that month of December how you like. And what's so fun about this is it's a way to interject a little joy, fiber surprise into a really kind of busy and stressful time of year. It would also make a fantastic gift for someone that you know that really loves and cares about fiber and special yarns. So this time, it's really different because last year we started off, we did our first ever of these, which was awesome and it was a great start. I brought back some yarns that were discontinued. I did a few custom colorways, but there were a bunch of existing colorways of yarn too. So like there was Wildflower in Goldenrod and there was Spun Cloud in Love Cloud. So there were some colors that we run all the time. This year, every single yarn in the collection will be a never done before yarn. It was designed specifically for these kits and each one is special. I don't think I'll ever produce them again unless all of you come back and say, this yarn is amazing, I must have it. I really like the idea of keeping it as a one time a year really special yarn capsule. So it's these 12 mini skeins of yarn all wrapped up beautifully. They'll be numbered so you know which order to open them in. And we are going to have two different sets for you to choose from. You can order both or one if you like, if you want one or the other, or you can order both. So one combo is going to be rustic jewel tones and one combo will be neon rainbow sparkle. Very on brand, right? It goes well with my shirt too. So these yarns I mentioned, they've never been made before, but so within each kit, 6 of the yarns will be a yarn that we currently run just in new colorways, new never done before colorways. And then 6 of the yarn, so the other 6 will be a yarn that we currently do not run. And I'm not going to say anything else about it because I really want this to be a surprise. So no more information, but 6 of them will be a yarn we do not currently run in 6 custom colorways that we've never run before that we will likely never run again. And 6 will be in a yarn that we currently run in all new colorways. And each one is different. So the neon kit is 12 different colorways. And then the rustic jewel combo kit is 12 different colorways. So there's 24 new yarns, never seen before yarns that are going to be coming out into the world as part of these Winter Solstice Kits. And that's why I'm so excited about it. I designed these when I was in India at the end of February and it was so much fun and I spent a ton of time working on them and I designed them as a capsule collection. So each one, the rustic, jewel, and the neon, as a little mini collection unto itself. So each color of the 12 flows into the next color seamlessly. So let's say, for example, for the rainbow one, it starts at red and then it goes a slight red pink and then a slight pink orange. And it works seamlessly with the next mini skein in that kit. So if you were to knit from starting at the number 1 to the number 12, if you were to knit them in that sequence, you would have this beautiful gradient that goes through the colors of the rainbow. So it's really special in that way. And I've never really designed a collection of yarn like this before. It was a really fun challenge, and I think it's so special because of this. And so that's sort of how it's going to work high level. So I have created these custom Pinterest boards where you can see the inspiration behind each of these different color combos. So the neon and the jewel tone. So you can head to the blog post I will link below where you can check these out and see which one, if any, resonate with you. I had a lot of fun making them. And there are some clues in there too as to what the yarns might be, but I'm not going to tell you anything more than that. And the colors are definitely a departure for me for the jewel tone one. That was really fun to design, and I think very different from what we offer at Knit Collage. So a really fun one for me to experiment with. So that's how it works. The signups are going to be, the pre-orders will be on June 13th. That's a Wednesday at 10 a.m. And it's a pre-order. So you order it in June and then we ship it at, I think it's mid to end November for you to open in December or really whenever you want. And I will tell you that there's limited supply because these are so special. They take a really long time to make. I have gone with a very time-consuming yarn to spin, and we only have so much capacity if we want to get the yarn in time. We're really close to the delivery. So we need to get this into work early. So we're going to keep these open for a week. We're going to give you a week to place a pre-order. If we get a ton of orders in the very beginning, we may close it earlier depending on what comes in, because we only have so much capacity. Our hand spinners only have so much capacity. So that is that. I hope I explained that well. It's kind of tricky to explain. I'm really excited about the way we have wrapped it. These wrapping papers are so beautiful that I found on this last trip to India. We went to all of these paper goods stores there in these markets, and they're just absolutely gorgeous, and they're totally different than anything you would find here. So if it were me, I would save the wrapping paper and use it or frame it or collage and make art with it, something like that. Reuse it as another wrapping paper for another gift, but they're just beautiful. So I think that's everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I am super excited. Okay, bye.